You are probably wondering what is this cat litter doing in this video. Well, that is because I am finally sharing with you my secret on how I save money on crafting, because crafting can be costly sometimes, especially if you are working with resin. But not anymore. Use my technique, guys, that I developed 2 years ago. In fact, I've never seen any YouTuber done this before, and I believe that I am the first one who's done this. So, place your flowers in a dry seal container with cat litter. It can be tofu crystals, and after 3 weeks, this is what it's gonna look like. If you haven't seen my old video, please do check the link in the description box, and post your comments, suggestions, questions in the comments box below. Your request, whatever you wanna write there. No hate comments, positive sides long. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and happy crafting, of course, happy saving!